Hello student of class 9. Now I am going to explain you exercise 1.5 of chapter number system. Now first question you see, classify the following numbers as a rational or irrational. Now here look at root 5 is non-terminating and non-recurring number. Means when a non-terminating non-recurring number, it is subtracting from a rational number, that is the rational minus irrational, it is irrational number. Same is to cancel these two, only 3 will left, so it is a rational number. 1 upon root 2 same, it is, if you rationalize it, is multiply root 2 upon root 2, that is root 2 upon 2, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is also irrational. Now cancel root 7, it is 2 upon 7, it is the rational number. 2 pi is a rational number because value of pi is 22 upon 7. If you divide it, it is non-terminating and non-recurring, and that is irrational, so 2 pi is irrational number. Simplify each of the following expressions. This is the question. Now you multiply it by 3, you multiply whole next term, and by root 2 plus root 2 multiply this. So it is 3 into second term plus root 3 into second term. Now multiply 3 into 2 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 2 into root 3, it is root 6. It is the answer. All 4 are different terms, it is answer. Now next is 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. It is identity as a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So it is 6. Next, a plus b whole square. Identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, it is root 5 square is 5, root 2 square is 2, and 2 root 10. That is 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 7. Next is root 5 plus root 2, and it is root 5 minus root 2. A plus b, a minus b. Same, a square minus b square. Root 5 square 5, and it is 2. It is answer 3. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter d, that is pi is equal to c upon d. That seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Now value of pi is, if you divide it, the value of pi is, it proved that it is 3.14159265, and it is non-terminating and non-recurring. So it is irrational number. So okay. Now next question is, represent under root 9.3 on the number line. We know how to represent 9.3. But now it is under root 9.3 on the number line. Now I have taken a number line. This one. It is AB. It is 9.3. I have taken it is 9.3. Steps of construction I have written, AB is equal 9.3 units. AB 9.3 units. And then such that BC is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit, that is. With scale you will do it. With scale you can see that it is 9.3. This one. And this length is 9.3, this one, and it is 1 unit, 1 centimeter it is. Now, at B you have to draw a 90-degree angle, perpendicular you have to draw here. Now, before that you have to bisect AC. That midpoint is O. O as a center and OA as a radius, you have to construct our semicircle. Now this perpendicular where intersect the semicircle, that point is D. This BD is equal 9.3. This length is 9.3. Now as a radius of this BD, you draw a circle, semicircle, quadrant you draw that intersect this number line at P. So P is root 9.3. Okay. Now all the value I have given, AB is equal 9.3 units, BC 1 unit, and BP is equal BD. BP is equal to BD. So we have to take B as 0. This point is 0 and this is root 9.3, this length. Okay. Steps of construction also I have written here. Now next is rationalize the denominator of the following. Rationalize of denominator. Whatever the in denominator, you have to multiply same number with numerator and denominator. So root 7 you have to multiply with it. Root 7 into root 7, it is 7. Because root 7 square and square root will cancel, only 7 will come. And 1 into root 7, it is the answer. Next, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. Here denominator is whatever there, its opposite sign you have to multiply with numerator and denominator. Means it is minus, so plus sign you have to multiply. So root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 you have to multiply. Now always denominator will be a plus b, a minus b. This identity, a square minus b square. And numerator 1 into this, so same will come. So root 7 plus root 6 and it is 7 plus 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 it is 1. So answer root 7 plus root 6. Next 1 upon this. Similarly its opposite sign is you have to multiply. So root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 minus root 2 you have to multiply. Then same and denominator a square minus b square, it will be, already I have told you, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 5 minus 2 it is 3. So it is root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. Next was 1 upon root 7 minus 2. Same, its opposite sign you have to multiply. Now it is a square minus b square and the numerator is root 7 plus 2 and it is 2 square is 4 and root 7 square is only 7. 7 minus 4 it is 3. Root 7 plus 2 upon 3. Now few numbers, this is the all questions from the NCERT book, this much. Now few additional question I have given, that is very interesting question and you have to know this type of question how to solve. Because of that I have given that. Now simplify root 75 minus root 45, root 27 and 4 root 5. All these 75, its factors you have to write. 5 into 5 into 3. 45, 3 into 3 into 5, 27, 3, 3, 3 and 4 root 5, it is 5, only single, it is a prime number. Now from the pair of 2 you have to take 1, when it's come out of square root it will be single number will come. So 5 root 3, it is 3 root 5, this one is 3 root 3. Next is 4 root 5. Now similar terms, root 5 and root 5, these two are similar. Write together. Root 3 and root 3, these two are similar. Now 5 plus 3, you have to add the coefficient. As we add 5x plus 3x, 8x, similarly. It is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3, it is 8 root 3. And this one is, this is a minus, plus minus minus. So 4 minus 3, it is plus root 5, sorry, it is plus root 5. Okay. Now this one is evaluate 5 under root 5 plus 2 root 6, total under root. Now this one you check it very carefully, this one is very important and interesting question. It is 5 you have to break two numbers, as it is multiplication form, it is additional form you have to do. Now 3 2s are 6. So here it is 3 plus 2. Understood it? 3 2s are 6 and it is 3 plus 2. Now 3 plus 2 plus 2 root this. Now it is actually 3 means root 3 ka whole square. And 2 is root 2 ka whole square. So we can write it a square plus b square plus 2 root 3 into root 2. 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square identity, if you check it, this is a plus b whole square. Now square root and square when come together both will cancel, only the number will come, root 3 plus root 2, it is the answer. Next question is rationalize root 6 upon root 3 plus root 2. Same type of rationalize do, and this we have to multiply with it. Now root 3 6 are 18 and it is root 12. Now 3 minus 2 it is 1. Now root 18 means 9 into 2, 9 will come out as 3 because 3 3s are 9. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Next, two terms where the denominator is just opposite sign number you have to take. So it is root 3 minus 2, you have to multiply root 3 plus 2 with numerator and denominator. You check it is the same number repeating, so a plus b whole square, and it is always a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. By identity you break it, a square plus b square plus 2ab, it is coming this one, and it is 3 minus 2, it is 1, and 5 plus 2 root 6, it is the answer. Next, same this one also. Again it is a square minus b square, and you have to multiply it by this. So root 3 you multiply by root 15 and it is root 9. So that is root 15 minus root 9 is 3. So it is root 15 plus 3 and 2 cancel. Now find the value of a and b if 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Denominator is equal a plus b root 2. Simple rationalize as you have done this one. Simple rationalize you have to do. Now this answer is coming as, it is coming 9 plus 2 means 11 plus 6 root 2, and it is 9 minus 2 means 7. Now check it right hand side. 11 plus 6 root 2 upon 7 is equal to this. Now it is 11 upon 7 plus 6 upon 7 root 2. We can write in this form. Now first term comparing the left hand side and right hand side. First term to first term. A is equal 11 upon 7 and b root 2, and it is 6 upon 7 root 2. If you compare it, b is 6 upon 7. B is 6 upon 7. So a and b you will get. Now same type of question I have given in assignment. There are 5 questions, but that is of 35 marks assignment, and answer I have given. Please you solve yourself to build your concept. Thank you very much.